Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work in this tutorial. As you can see here, this is a really nice lace pattern suitable for summer top or cardigan or other lace project you like. For the pattern we need to have multiple of 2 and the pattern, it has to be 4 rows repeat. Let's get started. For this tutorial, in the first row, this one considered as the first row, what you have to do, you are going to take the first one as the edge, then yarn over and knit the stitches together. Repeat like that. Yarn over, knit 2 stitches together. And repeat until the end of the row like this. As you can see here, at the end of the row 1, just knit 1, yarn over and knit together. So the only stitch left is for edge, like that. Row 2, we are going to take the first one as a edge, then we repeat like row 1 by yarn over and pull 2 stitches together. Yarn over, pull 2 stitches together. Repeat. Yarn over, pull. We'll do that until the end of the row. As you can see here, also at the end of row 2, after you did yarn over, pull together, only 1 stitch left for edge. Row 3, we are going to knit all stitches. Like this. Just knit all stitch. Like that. I'll do that until the end of the row. Row 4, what we have to do, we are going to pull all stitches. Like this until the end of the row. As I told you, you are going to repeat row 1 to row 4. After few rows, the pattern should look like that. This is the front side of the job and back side. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.